Hi, let's balance a redox equation in acidic solution. We will use the method of half reactions to balance a redox equation. There are 7 steps in this process. First, split the equation into 2 half reactions. One half reaction is the permanganate ion being reduced to the manganese 2 ion. This is the reduction half reaction. The other half reaction is the conversion of iron 2 ions into iron 3 ions. This is the oxidation half reaction. We will balance each of these half reactions independently, then add them back together. For each half reaction, we will first need to balance all elements except for hydrogen and oxygen. In this half reaction, manganese is already balanced. Next, we will balance oxygen by adding water to one side. The left side has 4 oxygens, but the right side has none. We will add 4 waters to the right side to balance the oxygen. Now the oxygen is balanced. In order to balance the hydrogen, we will add hydrogen ions. There are no hydrogens on the left, but there are 8 on the right side. We will need to add 8 hydrogen ions. Now hydrogen is balanced. To balance the charge, we will add electrons. The reactant side has a total charge of +7, but the product side only has a charge of +2. Right now, the charge is not balanced. To balance the charge, we will add 5 electrons to the left-hand side of the equation. Now both sides have a charge of +2 and the charge is balanced. Now let's repeat these steps with the other half reaction. Iron, oxygen, and hydrogen are already balanced. The charge is not yet balanced. We will balance the charge by the addition of 1 electron to the right-hand side. Now the charge is balanced. Now we need to balance the electrons across the 2 half reactions. There are 5 electrons coming into the reduction half reaction, but there is only 1 electron produced by the oxidation half reaction. The electrons are not balanced. We will multiply the second reaction by 5 so that it is producing 5 electrons. Now there are 5 electrons going in and 5 electrons coming out, and the electrons are balanced. Finally, we need to add the 2 half reactions back together. I will cross out the like terms from both sides, in this case, the 5 electrons. We now have our final answer. Let's do one final check to make sure that all species in this equation are balanced. We used 7 steps to balance this redox equation in acidic solution. Thank you for watching.